Donald Trump has made history as the first former president to be indicted in a criminal case, following a grand jury investigation into hush money payments during his 2016 presidential campaign. This indictment arrives as Trump faces other legal investigations and plans his bid for the White House in 2024. As a result, the Republican Party is divided over whether to support Trump in the upcoming election due to his efforts to undermine his 2020 election loss. The New York grand jury investigated Trump's involvement in a $130,000 payment made in 2016 to porn actor Stormy Daniels to prevent her from going public about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump. Trump's lawyer, Michael Cohen, paid Daniels through a shell company and was later reimbursed by Trump. Cohen also arranged for former Playboy model Karen McDougal to be paid $150,000 by the National Enquirer's publisher, which then suppressed her story. Trump denies having sex with either woman. Cohen pleaded guilty to violating federal campaign finance law regarding these payments, which prosecutors say amounted to illegal, unreported assistance to Trump's campaign. However, they declined to file charges against Trump himself. An indictment is the formal charge brought against someone after a grand jury votes and agrees there's sufficient evidence to charge them with a crime. The indictment against Trump remains sealed but will detail the crime or crimes he is accused of committing once it is made public. It is currently unclear what charges Trump may face. Some experts speculate he could be charged with falsifying business records, which can be either a misdemeanor or a felony under New York law. To secure a conviction on the felony charge, prosecutors would have to prove that records were falsified with the intention of committing or concealing a second crime. Trump's lawyer, Joe Tacopina, insists that Trump did not commit any crime and promises to fight the political prosecution in court. Tacopina accuses prosecutors of distorting laws to target the former president and argues that the payments were made using personal funds to prevent embarrassing allegations from being made public. The grand jury, made up of community members, heard evidence and testimony from several individuals, including David Pecker, a longtime Trump friend and former CEO of American Media Incorporated, which secretly assisted Trump's campaign by paying McDougal for the rights to her story and suppressing it until after the election. Trump is expected to turn himself in and make his first court appearance for his arraignment on Tuesday. Neither the indictment nor a conviction would prevent him from running for or winning the presidency in 2024. Despite the charges, many Republican Party leaders have defended Trump. Former Vice President Mike Pence and other potential 2024 Republican candidates have expressed concern about the case, with some suggesting it is politically motivated. Aside from the hush money case, Trump faces other legal troubles, including a Justice Department investigation into his retention of top-secret government documents at his Florida estate, Mar-a-Lago. Federal investigators are also probing the January 6, 2021, insurrection at the U.S. Capitol and efforts to overturn the 2020 election that Trump falsely claimed was stolen. In Georgia, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is investigating whether Trump and his allies illegally meddled in the 2020 election.